leader Chaudhry Zulfikar Ali has spoken on his decision to join the BJP, stating that the policies and schemes of the BJP have reached even the last person in queue. He said these things compelled him to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. He also added that every person received the Sehat card, which the people of his area referred to as the Modi card. He stated that peace has been restored in Jammu and Kashmir, stone pelting has ended, the common man feels more secure and the tourism industry has grown. He also stated that they will form their government. He slammed Omar Abdullah, stating that what has he done for Jammu and Kashmir.
देखिए, मैं बेसिक चीज़ें बताना चाहता हूं कि अंतिम व्यक्ति तक जो है वो सेहत का कार्ड मिला, जिसको लोग हमारे इलाके में मोदी कार्ड कहते हैं। जो एक आदमी के पास पैसा नहीं होता था अपना इलाज करवाने के लिए, आज उसका इलाज 5 लाख रुपए में मुफ्त हो रहा है। आज उसका 5 लाख में मुफ्त इलाज हो रहा है। जिस आदमी के पास घर रहने को नहीं था, जिसका बारिश से छत टपकता था, आज उसके घर पे लेंटर पड़ा है। मेरे इलाके में मैं 10 साल एमएलए रहा हूँ। हमारे टाइम में 2 केस मिलते थे, प्रधानमंत्री इंदिरा आवास योजना नाम था स्कीम का, उसमें 2 केस मिलते थे एक पंचायत में। आज एक पंचायत में 200, 250 केस मिल रहे हैं। तो कहीं ना कहीं जो आम व्यक्ति है, एक आम नागरिक है, जो अंतिम व्यक्ति है, उस तक जो पॉलिसीज हैं गवर्नमेंट की वो पहुंच रही हैं। आप देखिए, जल से नल स्कीम जो है, जेजेएम, आप देखिए सौभाग्य स्कीम है, जिसने कभी देखा नहीं बिजली का बल्ब, उसके घर तक बिजली पहुंची। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये स्कीमें जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने चलाई, इसने हर चीज़ को, स्लोगन की पॉलिटिक्स को पीछे छोड़ के आज उन्होंने पॉजिटिविटी की तरफ आगे बढ़े हैं। दूसरा, जम्मू कश्मीर में जो पीस रिस्टोर हुआ, जो स्टोन पैलेटिंग खत्म हुआ, जो एक आम नागरिक को एक सुरक्षा मिली, टूरिज्म को बूस्ट मिला, लोगों की डेवलपमेंट हो रही है, लोगों के काम हो रहे हैं। आज होटल वाला, शिकारे वाला, टेम्पू वाला, हर आदमी अपना कारोबार चला रहा है और अच्छे से अर्न कर रहा है। हमारी टूरिज्म इंडस्ट्री बूस्ट हुई। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये पॉलिसीज़ जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी की हैं, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की हैं, होम मिनिस्टर की हैं, इन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं मुझे प्रभावित किया कि मैं इस पार्टी का दामन थामूं।
Ajay Jandial is joining us for more details on this story. Ajay, Chaudhry Zulfikar speaking on the reasons why he joined the BJP. What has he said?
Yes, the way basically these developments are taking place, that indicates that it is going to be very tough and interesting as far as this assembly elections are concerned. Because you see that in last 24 hours, 2 big faces, one from the they have started shifting from one place to other party, and it happens during the election. But if you listen to what Zulfikar is saying, that is very important, and for what BJP was working, because we have spoken to the many top leaders of the BJP, and they say that what we have done in the Jammu and Kashmir, that we, instead of thinking getting vote, we have, focused on the development, like power project, medical college, AIIMS, IIT, IIMs, and road connectivity. That is a major thing, and that is what Zulfikar is saying. Chaudhry Zulfikar, who was very senior leader, who is a very senior leader and was minister in the PDP regime when Mufti Muhammad Saeed was, chief minister. He was two times, and having a very good, hold in his constituency and in Rajouri area. And he when joined, BJP and said that during, our time when we were here, National Conference, PDP, under which parties they were, he was basically, he got victory, and then he was, a minister. At that time, what we were told that we have to be away from the Delhi. We have to just, think about other things, not about development. But now, when it comes to the development, when I spoke to the our ground, leaders over there in, Rajouri, Poonch, our people in the Rajouri, Poonch, they say that we got Modi card, we get treatment, we got roads, we get medical college in Rajouri and other things. That is what Zulfikar is saying, that because the development which has taken place in his area, that motivated him to join BJP, and it is expected that BJP is also going to give ticket to Zulfikar from the Darhal constituency, from where he was 2-time MLA. And if it happens, definitely he is going to be one of the main contenders for that seat. And in the coming time, when there is fight between National Conference, PDP, Congress and the BJP, he can also, he can once again try to regain that seat. And he also is going to impact in the Rajouri Poonch district, where 8 seats there are in Rajouri in the Poonch districts.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.